In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find your previous history in Higgsfield. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so if you have generated maybe images or videos using Higgsfield and you can't find where they are, it's pretty simple. You can find them within a second. To do this, just go ahead and log in into your Higgsfield account. For my case, I'm here. And once you have logged into your account, go ahead and choose this option called Browse Assets. Now this will go ahead and take you to all your assets, and these are the creations you have made. And you can see all these are my creations, including the dates, with the top being the latest creations that you generated using Higgsfield. So that's how you can find your history in Higgsfield. If this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and also subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.